yesterday. I thank you all for the kind reception which you have given me and for the enthusiasm with which you have greeted me. As you have said in one of the addresses which has been read out just now, this is not my first visit to your city. I have been here more than once, and on every occasion I have received the same kindness. First of all, I want to refer to the unity of our country. The sense of oneness in our country has to be emphasized in the present circumstances. We should not think that our unity is a matter of course and that it can bear all kinds of strain to which it may be exposed. The fact is that our unity has to be strengthened at the present moment. We know that our cultural unity did not give us political unity. As a result, we succumbed to foreign invasions many times. Fortunately, we have now attained political unity also. Under the circumstances, it will be easier for us to preserve our cultural and political unity. We should not think that this political unity does not require careful attention from day to day. India is the second biggest nation in the world. There is no other country which has got such a large population and is governed by one constitution and ruled by one set of ministers. I do not think there has been another instances of an election in which so many people got the right to vote. The next general election will be coming during the next few months. At present, numbers count more than anything else. As a matter of fact, India can play a great part in the world today. So, there should be no occasion for undesirable rivalries. Fortunately, you have had no such trouble here. I hope it will never happen in future as well as, and I am quite sure you will think of the country as a whole. Then we are at present engaged in working out the next 5-year plan. The previous plan has been more successful than we thought it would be in the beginning. It can happen only if all the people cooperate in its working. There are people who are trying to maintain the balance in different parts of the country. I am sure that they will not neglect the interest of any region.